How would you like to be able to send a direct message to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion people, all with a single click of a button? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own messaging machine that got you a 98% open rate, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions of people in seconds. You always hear the words, build your list, and the money is in the list. And that's because when you have a list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands of dollars simply by sending one message. But email marketing is dying. It's expensive to send emails, expensive to build your list, and the worst of it all, nobody is reading their emails anymore. What are they doing instead? They're hooked to their phones. That's right, people are non-stop using their phones, texting through a bunch of social media apps and away from their email inboxes. The bottom line is this: it's hard to build an email list, and even harder to convert it into sales. So what's the fix that gets you all the benefits of an autoresponder while letting you tap into even better conversions than email, virtually unlimited leads, and instant traffic? The first ever Facebook autoresponder, introducing Profit Bots. Facebook has 3 billion plus users, and they each check their Facebook an average of 30 times a day. That's insane. Open rates on Facebook are 99% versus a measly 5% on an email. And people love to text via messenger apps, but they hate email. Profit Bots is a brand new software that automatically finds Facebook target leads, adds them as a contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. It can send direct messages to one contact at a time, or you can blast out millions of messages at once. We give you our own dedicated SMTPs, sending servers, and IP pools. You can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. It's like email marketing on steroids, but with no list building needed and virtually 100% open rates. Best part, it works even if you have 0 Facebook contacts. So you can send your affiliate link to millions of people that are targeted to your niche and have them read and open from their phone. Here's just a glimpse of the features. Cloud-based Facebook messaging system, 98% open rate guaranteed. Instantly import unlimited contacts and start messaging within seconds. No contacts? We help you get red-hot FB leads right away. Unlimited Facebook messaging and SMS with built-in SMTPs. Drag and drop message builder with scheduler. You can send now or schedule for later. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of those moments. Imagine if you could, overnight, have access to 2 billion phone numbers and the ability.
This is a page built with Profit Funnelz. Now, you may think, oh my god, you have all of those menus, you have all of these buttons, this must be a difficult product. What if I told you all of this was done with drag and drop simplicity? Then you can either export it to your own website with a single click, or post it on Profit Funnelz and use us as your website host. So let's dive right in. Profit Funnelz has tens of templates that you can go through and edit with drag and drop simplicity, including several of our very own sales pages that allow you to sell our products as if they were yours. So let's just go with one of these templates. Let's go with this one. So we end up on this page, which has the template we've just built. Now, right here you can see that you can select anything you want and then edit it exactly how you need to. And we have so many more features. From completely editing the text and background of the text, the shadow, the border, anything that a real designer would do, you can do with drag and drop in Profit Funnelz. What's more, we have multiple elements that you can add and play around with in Profit Funnelz that automatically convert to code. Now, the best thing about Profit Funnel is that it allows you to create full funnels. So from this page right here, we can create new pages and then send people from this landing page over to, say, an upgrade or anything else you need. Once you're done, this here is your domain where the website has been posted, or you can add your very own branded domain. So you can post your work with Profit Funnels directly onto your own website. It's as easy as that, and now if we click on save right here and then preview to see our newly made website, we can see that it has all of the changes we've just done. Welcome to Profit Funnels, this is awesome. And with our inbuilt training that teaches you how to monetize Profit Funnels and how to use it at its maximum capacity, this product is a no-brainer. So thank you very much for checking out this demo, and I can't wait to see you inside.
To blast any message.